Hey, it's Jen with Let's Get Chalkin' with Jen. So stay tuned. I'm going to be doing a giveaway for that welcome transfer at the end of the video. So today's design is on a round piece of wood that I purchased at Lowe's. I just went ahead, I painted it with a white acrylic paint, stained it with a dark walnut stain, and then I applied the Min-Wax finishing wax to the top layer to give me a nice non-porous surface. Now I will be using 3 different transfers from Chalk Couture today. This is our Rustic Wreath. I will be using our Home Sweet Home, and then a part of the Live Life in Full Bloom. Now all of our transfers are silkscreen reusable transfers. So what that means is when you're done doing your design, you will put these in water, clean it up with water and Clorox wipes, and then you'll store them again for future use, where you usually get anywhere from 8 to 15 uses out of one transfer. Now also, I will be using our Chalkology chalk paste for this. Our chalk paste comes in 35 different colors. I am only going to be using the white and the chocolate brown, so super classic and simple. And all of our chalk paste is water soluble and semi-permanent. So what that means, it goes on as a liquid and dries as a solid. But as long as you have not sealed your design, and you're going to see here in a second, as long as I haven't sealed my design, if I mess up, I can absolutely clean it up with water again and Clorox wipes. I'm just using water and a Q-tip on those little lines that you see there, and it's totally removable. Now, once I am done with this, if I want to make this design permanent, all I have to do is spray it with a clear Krylon sealer. Again, you can purchase that at any Lowe's or craft store, and you will absolutely make this permanent, because I thought this would be great for like a patio or your front door. So super simple and easy, you guys. Now you can purchase the Chalk Couture products right on my website at chalkinwithjen.com. If you are local to me, you can host a make and take or sip and chalk, where we get together with family and friends and we do a beautiful design for you to take home that evening. Or if you want, you can become a designer like me for just $99 and share in this amazing business opportunity. So I mentioned that I'm going to be doing a giveaway for that welcome transfer. It's our double welcome. All you have to do to be entered is share my video. Share my video on Facebook with your family and friends. Comment below that you have shared, and you will be entered to win this that double welcome transfer. Now I'm going to hold this open through Wednesday of this week, so make sure you share before then, and then I will do the drawing on Thursday or Friday of this coming weekend. So I hope you love the Home Sweet Home. And if you have any questions, reach out to me again at chalkinwithjen.com. Have a great day.